Karen Nyamu na Samidoh nĩ marakũngũyagĩra birthday ya kairĩtu kao nĩ Konimo as she turns a year old mũthenya wa ira, na they had taken to their social media pages each gũkũngũĩra kairĩtu gaka, na oho Karen Nyamu nĩ aragĩkorirwo agĩbangĩra kairĩtu gaka gake a birthday party at her home, na in attendance Samidoh arakĩrĩ kuo, na Karen Nyamu had taken to her social media to pen this wonderful message to her daughter agĩkĩra, "My bottom up baby has turned a year old. Well, little princess, you reign over the kingdom of our hearts has reached a full year, and you looked absolutely angelic today at your birthday celebrations. You are smart, you are cheeky, and you are destined for greatness, baby. To those who joined us at home to give thanks and celebrate this blessing, you are our friends, mubarikiwe." Arĩ ndũmĩrĩri ya Karen Nyamu to her daughter as she turns one, na Samidoh also had this to say agĩshare post ĩno akiuga, "Happy birthday my little one," and also he had the song Birthday Girl playing in the background which says, you be the birthday girl, now you be the birthday girl, akidedicatera kairĩtu gake as she turns a year old. And then later on nĩguo kũrakĩrĩ na birthday party kũrĩa mũciĩ gwa Karen Nyamu to celebrate this girl as she turns one. Now in attendance, Karen Nyamu had invited her friends and also her sister, and also Samidoh was in attendance. Now it was a white themed birthday party. Nĩũrona Samidoh haha in a white t-shirt, and also one of Karen Nyamu's friends in a white dress, and also Karen Nyamu's sister nĩwoyo haha also in white. Na Karen Nyamu onake, she was also wearing white. Na the birthday girl was wearing this pink here. Na nĩrakĩrĩ event thaka mũno, na Karen Nyamu agakiuga thanks to everyone who attended and made the day special for her baby girl, agakĩmera mubarikiwe. Na mafans nĩ marakorirwo magĩkenerera mbica ĩno ya Samidoh at Karen Nyamu's home celebrating his daughter's birthday, na magakiuga it's the first time they've actually seen Samidoh and Karen Nyamu together ever since Iday's post. Na ũndũ ũngĩ ũracokire gũkorwo ũgĩtuthũra ndereti nĩ atĩ Karen Nyamu's friend shared a photo of her with Samidoh at the birthday party, na a caption that read, "A husband to my sister is a brother to me." Mũrata ũyũ wa hakuhĩ mũno wa Karen Nyamu akiuga atĩ na kuonania atĩ Samidoh is a husband to Karen, na akauga since Samidoh is a husband to Karen, then he is a brother to her. Na arakorwo agĩshare mbica ici me kũrĩa gwa Karen Nyamu celebrating Nimo's birthday as she turns one. Happy birthday to her. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.